the big thing will be ending the stigma of not going to a traditional four-year college, but also encouraging, different paths out of high school and different ways to, understand what career options there are. There was no exposure, there was no chance to see if that was any trades would be my interest. And of course, there was always the stigma of, oh, you're not going to go to a four-year school, you're just going to go to trade school. Like that's not worth it. But the trade jobs are where it's at. The trade jobs are challenging and they are essential to our communities. And there's, again, so many different facets and avenues to take.